Hello and welcome to episode 2 of How to Use Your Computer. My name's Don. I'm with Lisa, and we're going to show you how to make a class list in Pearson.
Student group.
Student group. Sean, Jess, Trish, Don, Lisa, you're the only ones that will watch this
Carmen.
one. Carmen. We're starting with login. Basic login screen. Make sure you click on the username box before you type your name in.
Don found out kind of a handy tip. If you forget your password, you don't have to do that funky password anymore.
No, they changed my password to Inform.
So you don't have to do that capital, lowercase, Amberstein password.
Okay, here we go. Stay focused here. When you get to the primary dashboard, you're going to want to slide over to the student groups icon. Click on that. And the first thing you'll want to do is, I don't know what this icon is
We
called.
call that the little list icon.
The little list.
Or the selection criteria maintenance icon.
That's what I like to call it.
Okay.
Click on that. And then the green plus sign,
To the right.
add a group criteria. What we're working on today is grade level groups for the elementaries.
We decided to do a different one for each building so that the bubble sheets would not be
sorted.
in a big wad.
Be sorted out.
Be sorted out.
Okay. Sycamore grade, complete building name, and the year is our naming convention. You want to make sure you hit the first bullet, select students that meet all the following criteria, and then the criteria that we're using today is enrollment criteria. I'm going to choose my building where it says select schools. Sycamore is my building, and then the criteria we're using is grades. The
Good
high
job.
school would make more sense for courses.
Right.
Right? Okay. Where it says select grades, the green plus sign, and this is a drag and drop. Drop it and save it.
Sometimes you can't see that save button depending on where.
Yeah, if this window's a little lower, see how the save button gets hidden? So just kind of pull that ghosty window up and hit save,
And then you gotta hit the other save.
and then you've got to hit the other save.
Which, there it is.
Okay? If you see your selection criteria named thing,
Right. If it's there, you did something right. I'm not sure you did everything right, but you did something right.
something's going well. So now we come over and make the actual group, which is this plus sign,
Not to be confused with the other plus sign.
not to be confused, and then it's 04 SYC Sycamore 1011. You don't want this to be marked targeted for intervention.
And let me just ask a quick question here for Sean. It's possible, we're not totally sure about whether or not we need to unclick that modifiable. So maybe let us know and we'll re-screen-o-matic.
In the
If
near
we're
future.
wrong. Yeah, if we're wrong, just tell us.
Okay, so my criteria, or my selection program is going to be 04 Sycamore, just like I did earlier. Do that, and then I click save.
Good job.
Student group is saved, and before you go on, come over here, and this little wheelie, I think if I hover over it, it'll say refresh student group. I click that, and the names of the students in my group will appear. I always like to scroll to the bottom, see how many there are. 104 seems a little large, but we're going to go ahead and select all, and then right up here we'll save any drops or adds that we made. Save it. Yes. And we are now done.